Hello everyone. In this video, I am going to show how to create a discount calculator in Python. Let me start with creating a variable a into which the input value is going to be stored. A equal to input of what is the cost of headphone, and if I execute this piece of code, you can see it is asking for the cost of headphone, for which I enter 150 rupees, and I again press enter. In the second block, I'm going to convert the received input value into a integer value, for which I am going to create another variable b equal to int of a. This code converts the value of a into a integer value. Then again I type the formula for discount. So discount equal to b times 0.9, which means we are calculating 10% of discount. I execute this piece of code. In the last block, I'm going to discount, print discount, and I execute this code again. You can see 135 rupees. So after a 10% discount value, the buyer needs to pay 135 rupees for the headphone.